Hello, friends. I am here for last minute revision of MCQs. So, some more MCQs for you, BPSC aspirants. So, get ready. It may be useful and important. It is miscellaneous GK MCQs. So, question number one is which traveler authored a record of Buddhist kingdoms? A. Xuanzang, B. Yizing, C. Faxian, D. Dionysius. Answer is C. Faxian. It is also called Fahian also. Faxian, the Chinese pilgrim of 5th century, traveled to India and wrote a record to Buddhist kingdoms. Xuanzang, Shanjiang, Yahwenzhang is also called, wrote the great Tang records on the western regions. Yizing also wrote accounts of Buddhism in India, but later. So answer is Faxian, which is also called Fahian in Hindi. Question number 2. The 2025 Republic Day Parade tableau of Bihar showcased which university? A. Bikramshila University, B. Nalanda University, C. Odanpuri University, D. Vallabhi University. Answer is B. Nalanda University. Bihar chose Nalanda University as the theme for its tableau in Republic Day 2025. Question number 3. Valmiki National Park and Tiger Reserve is situated in which district of Bihar? A. West Champaran, B. Gaya, C. Kishanganj, D. East Champaran. Answer is West Champaran. Valmiki National Park and Tiger Reserve is located in West Champaran district. Question number 4. What was the theme of Bihar's tableau for the Republic Day Parade 2025? Answer option is Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas Nalanda Vishwavidyalay. B. Sufi tradition in Bihar, Maner Badi Dargah. C. Jal Jeevan Haryali Mission. D. Silk Industry of Bhagalpur. Answer is A. Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas Nalanda Vishwavidyalay. The theme tied with Bihar's historical heritage, focusing on Nalanda University under Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Bihar effective from September 1, 2025? A. Amrit Lal Meena, B. Pratyay Amrit, C. S. Siddharth, D. Nitish Kumar. Answer is B. Pratyay Amrit. As of September 2025, Pratyay Amrit was appointed as the Chief Secretary. Question number 6. How many Khelo India centers have been established in Bihar across all districts? A. 25, B. 45, C. 18, D. 38. Answer is D. 38. The correct number as per recent announcements before BPSC prelims, 71st prelims, this upcoming exam is 38. So answer is 38. Question number 7. The Bihar government approved a massive revamp of Punarua Dham Sitamarhi in 2025. What is the global project cost? A. Rupees 500 crore, B. Rupees 890 crore, C. Rupees 1000 crore, D. Rupees 750 crore. Answer is B. Rupees 890 crore. The approved cost is approximately rupees 890 crore. Question number 8. Select the correct statement about Patliputra, the capital of the Magad Empire. A. Patliputra was surrounded by the river Ganges in the east and the river Champa in the north. B. Patliputra was surrounded by the river Ganges in the north and by the river Son in the west. Answer C. Patliputra was surrounded by the Vindhya mountain in the south and by the river Ganges in the east. D. Patliputra was surrounded by the Vindhya mountain in the south and by the river Champa in the west. Answer is B. Patliputra was surrounded by the river Ganges in the north and by the river Son in the west. Historically, Patliputra, modern Patna, had the Ganges to its mouth and the Son, a tributary, to its west. Where was the first section of question number 9? Where was the first session of Indian National Congress held in 1885? A. Bombay, B. Delhi, C. Calcutta, D. Patna. Answer is A. Bombay. The first INC session took place in Bombay, now Mumbai, in December 1885. Question number 10. Under which article does Bihar have a bicameral legislature? Answer is A. Article 300, B. Article 165, C. Article 132, D. Article 168. Answer is D. Article 168. Article 168 of Indian Constitution provides for the legislature of states. Bihar has a bicameral state legislature, legislative assembly plus legislative council is called bicameral. Question number 11. What was the full form of DPSPs in the Indian Constitution? A. Directive powers on state policies. B. Directive principles of state policy. C. Directives for political state provisions. D. Direct principles for social policies. Answer is B. Directive principles of state policy. DPSPs are guidelines in Part 4 of the Constitution, which are non-justiciable but fundamental in the governance. Question number 12. Which of the following fundamental right is not justiciable, cannot be enforced by courts? A. Right to equality. B. Right to freedom of speech. C. Right to education. And D. Right to entitlement. That is the directive principles. So answer is right to entitlement, directive principles. Directive principles are not non-justiciable, that is, courts cannot enforce them through their guide state policies. Question number 13. The Sabha and Samiti were institutions in the Vedic period. What are they? A. Military councils. B. Religious congregations. C. Assemblies for decision making and administration. D. Educational bodies. Answer is C. Assemblies for decision making and administration. Sabha and Samiti were bodies, assemblies where elders and chief met to make decisions, manage social affairs, etc. in early Vedic society. Question number 14. Which of these was not one of the 16 Mahajanapadas? A. Magad, B. Anga, C. Kalinga, D. Vazi. Answer is C. Kalinga. The 16 Mahajanapadas listed in ancient Buddhist and Jain sources did not include Kalinga. Question number 15. The Arthashastra was authored by whom? A. Ashoka, B. Chanakya, who is also known as Kautilya, C. Bindusara, D. Chandragupta. Answer Chandragupta Maurya. Answer is B. Chanakya, Kautilya. Or Vishnugupta is the traditionally credited with writing Arthashastra. So Chanakya is also known as Vishnugupta, Kautilya, and Kautilya both. Question number 16. Which is the correct chronological sequence of dynasties in Magad? A. Nanda, Shishu, Nag, Haryanka, Maurya. Haryanka, Sishunag, Nand, Maurya. C. Sishunag, Haryanka, Maurya, Nanda. D. Haryanka, Nanda, Sishunag, Maurya. Answer is B. Haryanka, Sishunag, Nanda, Maurya. Haryanka that is Bimbisar, then Shishunag, then Nanda, then Maurya. Question number 17. The first Buddhist council was held at A. Vaishali, B. Patliputra, C. Rajgir, D. Sarnath. Answer is C. Rajgir, Rajgriha. After Buddha's death, the first council convened at Rajgir. Question number 18. Which of these a left bank tributary of Ganga in Bihar? A. Gandak, B. Koshi, C. Gandaki. Trishuli, also known Gandaki, is called Trishuli. D. Punpun. Answer is D. Punpun. Punpun joins Ganga from the left south bank. Many major rivers like Gandak, Koshi join from north or right side depending on the course. Question number 19. Which is the correct match? Language under the 8th schedule state region Bihar. A. Maithili Bihar, B. Bhojpuri Bihar, C. Maghi Bihar, D. Angika Bihar. Answer is A. Maithili Bihar. Maithili is officially recognized in 8th schedule. Bhojpuri, Magahi, Angika are significant regional languages, dialects, but not in the 8th schedule. Question number 20. Which wildlife sanctuary in Bihar is known for its peacock population and is located in Lakhisarai district? A. Valmiki Tiger Reserve, B. Rajgir Wildlife Sanctuary, C. Bhima Bandh Wildlife Sanctuary, D. Kaimur Sanctuary. Answer is C. Bhima Bandh Wildlife Sanctuary. Bhima Bandh is known among others for personnel located partly in Lakhisarai district. Question number 21. Which of the Bihar's official animal? A. Gaur, B. Elephant, C. Dolphin, D. Tigers. Answer is A. Gaur. The Gaur Indian bison is the state animal of Bihar. Question number 22. Which article in the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Article 51A, B. Article 19, C. Article 15, and D. Article 39. Answer is A. Article 51A. Part 4A of the Constitution contains fundamental duties under Article 51A. So this question was of fundamental duties, not fundamental rights. Question number 23. The largest scheduled caste community in Bihar is A. Chamars, B. Dusad, C. Musahar, D. Paswan. Answer is A. Chamars. Chamars are numerically the largest among scheduled castes in Bihar. Question number 24. Which of the following bodies is not following books is not written by Banabhatta? A. Harsh Charit, B. Kadambari, C. Malati Madhava, D. Both A and B. Answer is C. Malati Madhava. But Banabhatta wrote Harsh Charita and Kadambari. Malati Madhava is by Bhavabhuti. Question number 25. Which Indian constitutional body supervises elections? A. Election Commission of India, B. Supreme Court, C. Indian Public Service Commission, D. Comptroller and Auditor General. Answer is A. Election Commission of India. The Election Commission is responsible for conducting elections to parliaments, state legislatures, and president and vice president.